What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add mobile menu in Wix. So first you need to head over to the Wix website and then you need to choose the site that you want to edit. Simply click on select site, and after clicking on select site, here in the new window, your site will open. And when your site is open, here on the right side, you will see the button to design site. Click on this design site and then in the new tab, the editor of your site will open. Now, when your site is open, here at the top on the left side, you can see the mobile icon. Click on this so that it switches to the mobile format. Now, this is what your website will appear in mobile. I'll just simply skip it. And after that, here on the left side, when you just choose this, uh, this menu bar, and then you click on edit menu, and after that you can just edit all the things that you want in your menu. And when you have edited it, you can just simply close it, and then you can adjust it anywhere you want or anywhere you like. And when you are done, you can just simply click on this publish button here on the right side at the top to publish your mobile menu in Wix. So this is how you can add a mobile menu in Wix. But if you don't have it in your site, you can just come to this sites and pages menu, and then you can add a site menu from here, and then the menu will be added to your mobile site too. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.